Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, our Mascara dancers, please remain on stage. Mascara dancers, dasig lang. We will be asking for a group picture, a souvenir picture. Sir Mark, our DJ representatives together with Miss Selvi, to please proceed back on stage. This is for an IG-worthy picture posting sa atong social media sites. And again, right now, right here, today, until tomorrow is our KJ Fairmart Home Savers Expo 2024. And just for our customers, sila yung kanina kasi may mga pagbugtaw nila nagrektalang tindog ang naglakad sa SMX. May ara ang aton Montinisin free noodles, luto na. Mabisita na lang kamo para inyong matilawan ang namit ng Lucky Me chicken noodles. All you have to do is drop by the kiosk and get your free